Supra's eKEY app turns any smartphone into a key when you download the free eKEY app from the Apple Store or Google Play. The eKEY mobile app has been updated with new enhancements and features. Let's take a look at how you can access the Lockbox. Download and open the eKEY application on your smartphone. Make sure your smartphone's Bluetooth is on. Your phone will need it to communicate with the Lockbox. If you have showings in an area with low self-service, don't worry, the Lockbox will still be able to connect to the Bluetooth. To activate the Bluetooth on your Lockbox, press up on the key container at the bottom of the box. You will do this every time you need to access the Supra iBox. Now let's release the key container inside the Lockbox. With your eKEY application, choose Obtain Key and enter your 4-digit PIN number. Press the bottom of the Lockbox to activate the Bluetooth. The infrared light will begin flashing red, letting you know the Lockbox is communicating with your eKEY. Success! Press up on the bottom of the Lockbox once more to release the key container. If you need to add, relocate, or remove the iBox from a listing, you will use the Open Shackle feature. Begin by pressing on the bottom of the Lockbox to activate the Bluetooth. Enter your 4-digit shackle code and choose a reason you are releasing the shackle. You can select adding a new listing, removing a listing, relocate same listing, or none of the above. Hit done and select begin to continue. Success! Press the shackle down and up to release. You can now use your smartphone as the key without using a fob when opening an iBox BT LE. If you need any assistance with your key or Lockbox, please contact Bay East Member Services at 925-730-4060, or you can reach Supra Support 7 days a week at 877-699-6787. Thanks for watching.